saying, she said it's horrendous this. She said apparently in Totty it's like a blizzard.
This is a snowstorm we're in now. I'm just recording it for the way home.
I don't care how slow I'm going, they can fucking wait, I'm staying in first.
Oh, you can get into second, babes. It's not your speed, right, that's the issue. It's when you come to brake.
I don't reckon we'll be able to get space either, I'm not going down that fucking end.
You park where you park, babe. If you get a ticket, you just say due to weather conditions.
Yeah.
You say...
I had to put my car on. I don't think they'll be able to ticket in anyway.
I don't think so, babes. I'm just recording it. I just sat there recording it then, it's unbelievable this. Where's snowstorm since 1980? Yeah, that I got myself. So you can get that 40 quid back from my present.
No, babes.
Yeah, babe.
I let you spend £70 on your phone, didn't I?
Yeah, but only because you didn't want me to waste an extra thingy a month. It was either...
So how many minutes do you get extra?
I don't know.
How many
Getting 950 and unlimited text.
Do you get unlimited text on your phone now?
Yeah.
And how many minutes do you get?
No, on here.
Yeah.
Unlimited to 3,000.
Oh right, well I won't for more than that.
You're gonna thingy anyway, aren't you?
Well,
You need to change your number. Yeah, I know, but you need to change your number to this number, which you can do because obviously it's an additional answer in your name. So say I'm cancelling one and just having the other. This is where you need to be careful. That's just ice under there, you can see it. Don't brake, just roll. You can put your foot down. Oh no, actually, because you started to brake. Start braking now. Just roll down to them.
Oh god, it's getting up the hill. Fuck.
Oh, this.
Might have to walk.
I might be better driving. Right, when you're going up the hill, keep your distance for fuck's sake.
Well, he better keep his distance from the behind me.
Right, but if we... Yeah.
If we roll into him, it's not our fault, isn't it?
Not really. Wait, right, wait at the bottom of the hill.
He's got his hazards on.
Because he's probably hit at something.
He's trying to park, isn't he?
No, he's probably hit something. Oh. Right, go on.
I'm just staying in a second, just leave
Right, go
me
on.
to do it.
Just follow the lines of the car in front. Bit more revs.
He's skidding all over the place, he's got to stay away from me.
It's alright. Stay off the fresh snow first. Yeah, stay on that line. It's Bury, Greater Manchester, Ramsbottom. This is going on YouTube, this.
Yeah.
Oh. What happens if someone hits us? I'll be hit someone else. I'll claim then against you. Walmsley Church here on the left, Church of England. Look, absolutely snowed under. The spiral and everything, dead nice and pretty, but shit happens. This is Ramsbottom, Greater Manchester, YouTube. Freezing cold. This is my gorgeous girlfriend here with the big nose.
Says you. No, cute.
Ciao, catcher. There you go. Just absolutely in the middle of the snow. Just gone through a snowstorm. I'm just heading up. There's the new inn, there's all the locals there, all the folks and stuff. Nine fucking wielding little bastards. You need to keep your revs up, but don't rev too much.
Shut up, Craig. You're not the professional, you know.
Yes. Let's go down the fucking thing again, the pike, whatever it's called.
Craig, I think we
Yeah.
should.
When you nearly fucking climb. To keep the wheel straight, babes. Alright, babes.
Can't help it, it's instinct.
Instinct what to crash? It's Walmsley Road. It's Ramsbottom. We're heading towards Ramsbottom now, where we live. It's absolutely great weather. I'm walking in the air. Let's interview my gorgeous girlfriend.
No.
Hopefully this car's gonna crash. Bugger. This one crash? Unbelievable, isn't it? stuff here, look, on the side. My papa lives up here, Billy Senegals. Hard man of Totty, legend of Totty. And Anne Moira Senegals, Alan Sugar's little sister.
Who?
Alan Sugar. Alan Sugar, are you met? Yeah, funny, yeah. I wanted to see the car sliding because it makes me laugh.
Oh.
Collision. No, it's not. Or have they? Oh, I don't know, you know.
No, smashed. Smashed. Oh.
How do you know?
Oh, look, bumped.
Hailstone, snow. This is Riyadh where all the fat bastards go to get skinny. This is the junction for the Ramsbottom exit of the motorway on the M66 near Manchester. That's over there.
I think it's alright now, I'm on the squash.
Just nearly went then. I'd love to sit at the top of the fucking this road and watch everyone go down. Plus it'll be a bit torrential, babe. Can we watch someone go down it?
Look at the back of the cars and all.
If you want a clever bit of advice, don't live on the hills because it's freezing cold, right? And you're gonna crash. Look, there's no one even been down there. Look.
Well, if they do, they're fucking insane.
That's where Anne and Bill live.
Down, babes?
Look,
Oh
there's
my
people.
God.
He can't get up there. See him spinning. Here's the regulars.
I think I will take Bella out for a walk.
Yeah, babes. You freeze the dog to death, babes. These are the hills now. This is where the sheep normally are, but they're all dead because the freezing cold weather killed them all. Oh, there's the motorway.
I'm just going to get a new number again, babe, and then it's a fresh start again.
What do you mean?
On my, on that phone.
What, just like a new number? Just ring up and just say, right, I want a brand new number. They'll do everything. Just say, oh, you can't cancel it. So you think, just say, well, turn the phone
I'll
off.
just say, send me a final bill. It's not my SIM card and then it's gone.
You'll just get paid. You'll have to pay your line rent on
It's
that.
only 40 quid.
Only?
Yeah, you've got an iPhone, haven't you? So, nothing.
Which I will be doing an insurance job on people.
Are you?
Yep. Not now though.
Will someone buy it off you?
Yeah. Steve Wood was going to pay £100 the other day for one, but that one would have worked. I've got to do. I can't say anything on camera just in case. So, I'll only do an insurance job if the phone breaks or is lost. Look, there's the hills. Look there, where we're living, people. All these lunatics driving at 3 miles an hour while we are rolling. Here's some of the regulars. Look, the regulars, yep. And then you've got this big road here, and I wouldn't like to go up there. I lived up there on that farm.
Been up there.
I like to go up there, and that's yeah.
You're alright if you're in big bloody 4x4, aren't you?
Very council, right? A shit. Pay our council
There's
tax.
no grit, is there?
For
That's
what?
they were saying in there. Will you stop speaking now? You're doing me head in. Well, when you listen to it back, you'll hear how annoying you are. Honest to God.
Some of the town people. I'll just shut up there and just record. This is where people are going to start having problems.
Just don't behind me, so I can go as slow as I like.
There's Ramsbottom over there. My Senegal's doing a good job here now driving. Like this. If we get past this, we're alright.
It's all ice.
What?
All ice.
It makes everything look prettier though, the snow.
Yeah, I know, look at that tree.
See it?
Can't miss it, can I, babe?
Rory's got no chance of getting down into Rammy.
Oh, he's stuck all over and
He'll be there for the night, babe.
He'll have to start on the route, won't he?
Here's the 473 to bury it.
Oh, feel it then.
And that's just asking for an insurance claim, that. Do you want to go down there, people? Oh, there's people scared.